What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something, obviously you guys, if you watched the last video, we got a new vehicle sitting in the driveway. Here is the F350 Platinum. She's getting a lift, wheels, tires, something else. And we're doing that today. Now this is something that every Ford F2 or F350 Illuma-Duty owner should do. As you can see on these Rams, which I love, obviously guys, you know I love my Rams, and I went over reasons comparing these two, why I pick Ram over, like, just say a Platinum. These Rams, they have kind of one bumper configuration. I mean, obviously fog lights are not, sensors are not, whatever, and bug guts all over apparently. I need to clean this. But down here you have a front valance. On Rams, they're all the same size. But on Fords, if the vehicle is four-wheel drive, you get this giant, ugly valance on this truck. They look so bad. It's actually unreal. I don't even understand how they put this on a truck when two-wheel drive valance looks so much better. Yes, that's right. We're going to be taking the four-wheel drive valance off and putting a two-wheel drive valance on here. This is a popular mod between F2 and F350 owners. Some know about it, some don't. But we're going to be doing it today because it changes the look of this truck completely for the better. So in our bed here, full of goodies, obviously we have our lift kit in here that we'll be getting into tomorrow, I believe. So most of you know I use genuine Mopar parts on pretty much my Charger and my Ram. I use as many OEM parts as possible because to be honest, some aftermarket parts out there are kind of cheap and I'd rather put factory parts on there. So I'm going to give you Ford owners the part number to this. Go to your parts department. Like I said, literally everything on my truck, where is it? Literally everything on my truck, headlights, cab light, almost every mod I've done, fender flares, are all OEM parts. You can go to your parts department and pick up. So I'm going to give you guys, you Ford owners, the part number to this. So if you guys are interested in doing this mod, take this part number to the parts department and order it up. Screenshot it, do what you need. Here is your part number for the two-wheel drive valance on these Super Duties. As you can see, this thing is like a quarter of the size, and it makes the front end of these trucks look so much better. And on top of that, this is something you could do at home. I believe it's a bunch of 10 mil or 8 mil bolts. Regardless, either way, super simple. I'm gonna grab my impact, I'm gonna grab my socket and my swivel socket, and we're gonna rip this front valance off and put the new one on. So just gonna give you guys kind of a comparison real quick. This is the two-wheel drive valance, and there is the four-wheel drive valance. This is a mod that I feel like every Ford owner should do because this is kind of hideous. Look at the difference of that. And some of you are gonna be like, this is a dumb mod. Just wait till I'm done. Because when I'm done, you're going to understand that this looks so much better, 100%. So with grabbing a socket and testing it, we found out it's actually an 8 mil bolt. With the help of a swivel that obviously you could see I welded the crap out of because the thing broke, but don't worry about that. With a swivel and my impact, we'll be able to get this valance off super easy, super quick. And yeah, because there's probably a good 30 screws in this valance. I'll show you. So first things first, there's actually one. You peel this back, you can see it's up there. You probably can't tell right now, but it's right there on top. So there's one here, and the rest are all right here. They go all the way along the whole valance to the other side. Right here, you'll have two plugs holding electrical harness in for the fog lights. The new valance also has connectors to hold this as well, so you will not have to worry about that. So what we're honestly going to do now is just literally zip all of these out real quick. I'm going to go get a panel tool so I can pop the harness off, and this install should be super quick. Honestly, you don't need one this long, but this one just works the best, so we're gonna go with that. I guess this one helps with your long range down here. I'm gonna come underneath here and I'm gonna zip all, I don't even know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 13, 4. I think there's probably about 20 screws, and don't forget your uppers. Alright guys, so here they are off the truck. Clearly you can see there is a gigantic difference just side by side here. As you can see, everything's open and free now. And what we're gonna do is honestly just repeat the process and put the two-wheel drive valance on. Now these, I don't know if these will be blocked or not on the new one. If it's in the way, I'm gonna ask him if he wants these to be on or not. I have no idea. what this actually is even for, but it looks like it's literally just 4 nuts and it would come off anyway. So if this is kind of like still visible, I'll definitely just take the these off after I ask him if he wants them on or not. I'll send him pictures, but yeah, I'm gonna repeat the process and slap the new one on. So one thing I did was I reversed these corner clips from top down to down up. I don't understand why you wouldn't have everything going the same way. So I did that. These do stick a bit out of the bottom, so we may be taking these things off. I'm gonna send him a picture and we'll figure that out when I do the lift. If these are what he wants removed, I'll also just take these off by these 2 bolts here, and then, or I'll take this off by these 2 nuts here and the 2 nuts on the other side, and that should be no problem. I think, yeah, because the tow hooks are mounted up here. So this is just, I don't even know what. And just like that, guys, install is done. It took obviously no time at all. Huge difference in the front of this truck. Like I said, I will message him. I'm going to show you guys in a second, but I will message him, ask him if he wants me to take those behind support brackets off. But I'll probably get to that when I do the lift. However, I'm going to show you that it looks so much better with the 2-wheel drive valence on here. Truck looks so much better. And there you have it, guys. Look at this valence. So much cleaner, sleeker, and just all around, just a better look for the truck. Now, here's what I'm talking about. You come down here, obviously these are peeking out, so I'm gonna message him, ask him if he wants me to take those off for him. I don't know what they do or what they don't do. They do peek out a little bit, so if he wants me to take them off, I'll take them off. If not, we can leave them. I don't know what they do or if they got support, rigidity, I have no clue, but I'm gonna ask him because I don't want to take something off on his truck that he doesn't want removed, or vice versa. So always check on that with anybody you're doing work with. But at the same time, guys, look at this valence. It makes the truck look so much cleaner and sleeker, and this big bulky thing ain't sticking out anymore. Like, to be honest, oh my, that thing looks darn good. Completely changes the look of this truck already, and it's not even like lifted yet. Once it's lifted, it's gonna look even better. Honestly, it just cleans up the front end. I am blown away. It does actually make it look not as big like the front end, but that's kind of the goal of it. But it looks awesome. I don't know why they put such a big valence on there. This thing looks so much better. That is for sure. So there you have it, guys. First mod done to the F350 Platinum. Honestly, like I said, it's a popular mod between most F250, F350 Illuma Duty owners. Just because it cleans up the front end so much. And honestly, that looks so much better. So much cleaner, sleeker, not so big, bulky, and like in your face. If you didn't catch my last video, this truck is going up. This has a 2-inch leveling kit on it from Ready Lift. It's an SST lift. 2-inch springs up front and 1-inch lift blocks in the rear. We're putting a 4-inch, I just put his old valence in here, but we're putting a 4-inch BDS coilover system on here. And it's gonna look awesome because when I'm done, he's taking these 35s and 22s off and replacing it with a set of 37s and 22s. So this truck's gonna be sitting pretty big. I don't know, I told you, if you guys didn't catch my last video, like I said, these trucks lifted 4 inches are so massive actually. And the 37s do a huge job in this. I don't know his offset off the top of my head, but these trucks are pretty good at clearing a lot of tire combos. I can tell you that. And if you guys also didn't catch my last video, he went with the adjustable Fox coilovers too, so his ride is going to be awesome as well, because you'll be able to adjust the compression through the resi. I just can't get over this. This thing looks spectacular. So like I said, I gave you guys the part number at the beginning. If you guys are Ford owners and you want to do this to your truck, make it look so much cleaner, so much better, run that part number to your Ford dealership and get that part ordered. I'm pretty sure you can also find them online, but oh yeah, that looks so much better. Thursday's video, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, me and Dirty Max Jack met up, hung out. So you'll be seeing that Thursday, showing off each other's trucks. Gave him a ride in mine and everything. It was an awesome time. Jack's an awesome guy. So you'll be seeing that video Thursday, but you'll catch the lift kit video, coilover conversion video on the Super Duty this weekend for sure. This is going up. My Pitman arm puller shows up tomorrow, so this truck's going up this week, and you will see that lift and coilover conversion and ride quality test and everything this weekend. So stay tuned for that. But like I said, Thursday, stay tuned, because me and Dirty Max Jack did in fact meet up, and you'll see that collab video Thursday, which is honestly awesome. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that transformation on the front of that Power Stroke. Like I said, the lift's coming, and that's going to completely transform not only the ride of that truck, but the look of that truck as well. If you haven't been here before, please get on there, click subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. Take care. I will see you guys in next video. Like I said, it's going to be exciting. me and Dirty Max Jack met up. So that's going to be an awesome video as well. And then Sunday, you should be seeing this Power Stroke lifted. So I want to say take care, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.